Hi guys, welcome back. This is Vishalatul. We will discuss about oil. What we can see the next level here. So this is three level we already tested here. Trend line respect, and market down. Right. Always when you see in oil, we always see the support level, resistance level, trend line. If you trade in oil, he just always turn into the cup and holder like that. So you can go here. We posted in last week, last month also. Last week, this one signal, you can see we already execute our trade here for here, running in profit. I hope we can see from rejections this one here. If you use this one EMA, 250 EMA, this is exactly we can reverse from 77.22. This is the rejection level 72.22, 20 level, and other one 79.20. 79.20. This is the selling level. So we can sell from here exact 77. If break 77 we can wait for a 79, right? 77.20, so we can wait for 70.20, 79.20. So we can sell from there. Target we have a 69 level downside. Once at the 67, 61, 71, 68, 69 level. So we can little bit we can see the corrections from downside when the market going upside, rejections to testing this trend line, and you can see exact 1 day time frame. If you see the level, this is exactly is pushing this price and going down and upside and down again. So that's little bit rejections we can see here. So if I showing here, I just reposted here already. You can go with Twitter, check it out. This is, you can see here, we can see in cup and holder city testing, and the level is downside. You can see a little bit more upside, and then corrections is again downside. So 67, 69 level we can see next movement in 2 3 week. So exactly as we have to follow the level also. So just buying is completely already done. We already buy from here. We already closed the positions here because it's exactly level. You can close this one if you use Fibonacci, auto Fibonacci. So it's giving you signals for downside. Right? So exact point here. That's why we close our trade here. You can see this is exact the level. So we have to close this level. We can see the retracements downside and a little bit of FOREX breakout going up. It needs 79.40, 79 this one levels. What I write here, and then see this one is downside, but not be continuously. We can see the so many days, maybe 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, and then we can see the move downside. One things we if cross this one level, then we can see upside movement, guys. So you can use this one Fibonacci also. So Fibonacci retracement. If you use this one, you can show your trade where you want to execute trade. You can find out the way which trade you have to put on as in your system, right? So this is the best way. So continuously you can see this is the buying pressure here, market going up, you can see continuously falling market and down and again, right? So you when you use this one, what we have posted here, you can see continuously market down and upside. Simple. One thinks what is next here. You can, so maybe 90% we see the market will downside crossing the level, and if break the level, guys, this upside level here, Fibonacci level, I show you. This is the level, right? If break this one, it will be break the biggest bullish pattern, and then you can see the market going crazy upside. Maybe if break this one, market can go like this. So right now we are in selling from, we can sell from 77.20 and 79.20. This is the selling level here. And if you want to buy, but buying it's not be possible, buy just only from 79, so 80 level. That's the buying level. You want to buy the, if you want to capture the bigger move, so you can buy for 80, 79, 50 level. That's the west level if you want to buy from there, and then we can reach the level of 89, 90, 91, the level, right? So it will be break the highest pattern from here. And just remove, and you can use this 5 15 minutes. We show you this 15 minutes in 1 hour minutes what is going on actually. That's the same as 51 hour time frame. If you are in day trader, you can use 1 hour time frame, and this will help you the most things. Okay, so when you use this one, you can use always the EMA. It will be find out the way. EMA already break out the 1 hour time frame. It will be buying pressures is highly here. You can see this is right. So same things what I telling you. Selling pressures from here, this level. This is the selling pressure 79.31. If it's break out this one, it's going up, right? So this is for selling. We can sell from here. We can wait a little bit more postures, liquidity curve down, and then we can sell from here, right? And if you want to buy, you can buy tomorrow Monday, maybe with little bit corrections downside, moving market like this, and then fall again. So this is the way actually what I see in 1 hour time frame, right? So if I draw two level, this first level, this one 72.67, 79.31. If it's a market and this one, we have to sell. If it's break this two level up and downside, we have to go to long downside, long upside positions, right? So this is the way actually continuously. If you do in 2 3 hours trade, you can use 15 minutes. So we will use 15 minutes if you want to trade just 1 to 3 hours and you want to capture the 100 point 200 point. So you can use this in 15 minutes. What's the say here exactly? So 15 minutes, if you want to trade in 15 minutes, we can sell from 77.54 level. This is the for who you want to use 15 minutes time frame, and SL will be very small, a little bit far, and your target will be here. So 676. We can see the corrections 76.57, correction like this, and then go up down and then fall again. So this is the way who want to use 15 minutes, they can sell also, and who want to use 1 hour time frame, they can buy just they can buy from here to here, here to here, and who use 1 day time frame, they just think about only for selling, not for buying. Right, I already explained here this one. So go with Twitter. You can try what we have posted in a Twitter. I hope you watched our videos also here. This is Twitter last yesterday what we have posted. And oil, I see next. This is this one is all this one seamless. I give this one as maybe before 2 weeks, 3 weeks. We just already wait for this one laboratory testing and then capture this in the market. That's the crazy guys. See. So always bigger move if you want to capture bigger moves. So you have to wait for a little bit 2 3 days more, right? So that's the wait. Is patience is most of things in the trading line. I hope you like our videos and techniques and strategies also. You can follow our Telegram channel, YouTube channel, the Wi-Fi trading. You can use this one. You can go there and check it out. All the things what we have posted, what we have make the videos also, and then that's good for you for your journey, trading journey, right? So thank you so much, guys, and see you in next video and next setup.